In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a location in Google Maps. If you've ever arrived at the wrong spot because a pin was misplaced or a business detail was off, you know how frustrating that can be. The good news is that Google Maps lets you suggest accurate fixes, and those updates help everyone navigate more confidently. Start by opening Google Maps, either on your phone or in a web browser. For the best experience, make sure you're signed into your Google account so your edit can be submitted and tracked. If you're on mobile, confirm you have a solid internet connection, and if needed, enable location services to view the area precisely. Next, search for the place with the incorrect information. Type the business name, address, or a nearby landmark and zoom in so you're sure you're selecting the right location. If multiple matches appear, scan the list and choose the exact one you want to fix. Accuracy at this stage prevents accidental edits on the wrong place. Tap or click the place on the map to open its information panel. This panel shows the name, address, category, hours, and other details. Give it a quick review so you're clear on what needs to change. Select Suggest and Edit. On mobile, you'll find this option in the place's details. On desktop, it appears as a button in the info panel. This is where you tell Google what's wrong and how to correct it. Choose what's wrong from the available options. You might correct the name, address, category, opening hours, website, or whether the place exists at all. If the text fields appear, update them carefully using the correct spelling and local address format. When possible, add a brief note explaining the fix. For example, entrance is on the side street, or business moved 1 block east. Clear explanations help Google verify your change faster. If you're prompted to adjust the pin position, drag the red marker to the precise spot. Zoom in closely, switch to satellite view for landmarks, and align the pin with the actual entrance or the center of the location if it's non-public. Small moves matter. A few meters can make a huge difference for walking directions and deliveries. Finally, review your edits and submit the correction. You'll see a confirmation that your suggestion was sent for review. Edits are checked for accuracy and may take some time to appear, especially if the change is significant. That's it. Simple, helpful, and a big boost to map accuracy for your community.